It's now turn 10. Good morning. Let us come to order and go on the record. I'm Commissioner Floyd McKissick Jr., and I've been assigned to preside over this hearing. With me this morning is Commissioner Kimberly Duffley. Commissioner Hughes may be joining us, but he's not joining us at this time. I now call for hearing docket number G-40 sub 163 in the matter of an application of Frontier Natural Gas Company, hereafter Frontier, for annual review of gas costs pursuant to North Carolina General Statute 62-133.4 subsection C and Commission Rule R117K subsection 6. The purpose of the review is to compare Frontier's prudently incurred costs with the gas costs recovered from its customers served during the test period in compliance with Rule R117K subsection 6. On December 1, 2021, Frontier filed testimony and exhibits of two expert witnesses relating to this annual review proceeding. On December 9, 2021, the Commission issued an order scheduling hearing, requiring the filing of testimony, establishing discovery guidelines, and requiring public notice. The order scheduled this public hearing for today, March 1, 2022, at 10 a.m. The intervention and participation of the public staff is recognized pursuant to North Carolina General Statute 62-15, subsection D, and Commission Rule R119, subsection E. On February 14, 2022, the public staff filed testimony and exhibits of three expert witnesses. No other parties intervened or filed testimony in this docket. On February 16, 2022, Frontier and the public staff filed a motion requesting that their expert witnesses be excused from attending the hearing. They stated that they had agreed to waive cross-examination of each other's witnesses and had agreed to the introduction of the witnesses' pre-filed testimony and exhibits into evidence. On February 23, 2022, the Commission issued an order excusing expert witnesses, accepting testimony and exhibits, and requiring proposed orders. That order also stated today's hearing will be for the sole purpose of taking the testimony of public witnesses, and that representatives of Frontier and the public staff were not required to attend the hearing. On February 24, 2022, Frontier filed affidavits of publication evidencing the newspaper publication of the public notice of today's hearing as required by the Commission. In compliance with the requirements of Chapter 138A of the State Government Ethics Act, I remind the commissioners who are members of today's hearing panel of their responsibility to avoid conflicts of interest, and I inquire any member who has a conflict of interest with respect to the matter before us to identify that at this time. Let the record reflect that Commissioner Duffley has not identified any such conflict, and I also cannot identify any such conflict. Are there any preliminary matters which need to be addressed before the beginning of the hearing? If not, let us proceed. Are there any members of the public present in the hearing room who desire to provide testimony? If so, please come forward. Madam Court Reporter, please let the record reflect that no public witnesses came forward to testify today. Is there any additional business to come before the Commission? Hearing none, the hearing is concluded and we are adjourned for today. Thank you. Pretty nice.